Hello, this is Stu's Retro Reviews. We'll have another game of Sanxion on the Commodore 64. Never played this. Just got it though, so I'm going to give it a try. This is quite popular as well on the 64 back in the day. I'll probably be bad, but I'll give it another try. We'll get better. We'll get better. So we're going to shoot all these other ships. Oh, you can go quite fast as well. Speed up. Right. So the ships come from behind as well, so stay in the middle of the screen. Here we go, here we go. Right, just keep doing this. Might get far here. Oh no. Oh, come on. Got a bit further on anyway. Just try to avoid the ships. Can't shoot them when you miss them. Oof. Strange how there's two different angles, like top down and side view. I wouldn't have thought of that. God, I can't believe I just went into that shot. It's just so obvious. Right, come on. Do better than this. We can do better than this. Okay, it looks like I'm in some sort of city now. Oh. Oh, colours have changed and I blew up again. Another game I need to practice on. Oh hey, come on. The music was done by Rob Hubbard as well, as far as I remember. In this game, there was a legend in the 64 days, the Commodore days. Right, come on, keep going. Right, I think I'm getting the gist. How far I'm going to get, but just keep going. I sort of wish this whole screen was like a full screen and not just like two views of it. Not sure why they thought of that. It's just top down, isn't it? But I don't see how the point is. You don't bomb anything below there. It's a good shooter though. It sounds good. It is quite fast as well. Good graphics. Yeah. Not really blocky, really, I would say. Well, that's just a little playthrough on Sanxion on the Commodore 64. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye.